It is 9:47. I'm so tired and I'm so cold. And I'm just gonna get my pillow situated. Because I'm about to go to sleep right now. I'm so tired. I'm looking crazy. But I'm about to go to sleep because in the morning I'm getting up 5 a.m. It's gonna be like negative like 3 out. I was just editing a different video. So I have my computer, I have my workout clothes, and then I'm gonna get up in the morning and we're gonna vlog a get up at 5 a.m. with me vlog. So I will see you in the morning. Good night. We just finished at the gym. It's 9, I guess. Whew. We had a whole day before the sun even came up. All right, off we go. Hello, good morning, sleepyhead. Good morning. Are you good?
Yeah. I just had to take my girl. Oh. Yes, I can come today.
This was funny. Why do you want to work at Tetra? I am job. That's like a hilarious reference from Mrs. Doubtfire.
They gonna be like,
why should Tetra want to work with you? Also, I'll read your astrology chart for you if you want. What are you looking for? This is what I said. What are you looking for in a marketing role? The ability to make rideable waves for you to attract the new clientele you desire and grow the brand. Because they're a whale. They have like a whale fin on their website.
I don't know what that's supposed to mean.
Okay. What is a campaign that you've worked on that you're particularly proud of and why? Oh, okay. Let me read about this. Okay, it's like 11, a little after 11. I just applied for literally 20 jobs, I think. So I think I'm good for that today. We'll check back tomorrow because I usually apply for like 10 to 20 a day because that's just where we're at. Oh man. But we're about to make some lunch. We got, look at this baby. Look at this baby. Not me and Iris, but me and Iron. What was I saying? It's time for me to cuddle. My baby. My baby. My baby. Anyways, we're about to make some lunch. We got HelloFresh. And we have lettuce wraps, and I'm so excited. And then I'll show you what I'm gonna do after that, but it's very exciting. I'm out of breath for some reason. We turn the lettuce wraps into bowls because The lettuce leaves are like this big. But it looks pretty good. Oh. Okay, so the funny thing about waking up at 5 a.m. is that you then become tired sometimes during the day. It's 3:15 and I have no shame in my snooze game. I was just snoozing for like an hour and a half, I would say. And I feel great now. I feel rejuvenated. It's still light out. We got plenty of daylight to burn. And yeah, we're about to go do some stuff, stuff for Iron's basketball. And then we're gonna go try to get the GoPro situated because it's kind of messed up still, which it's like the SD card has been messing with me for a bit. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna post a TikTok and be like, has anybody had this problem with their SD card? And see if anybody lets me know. Like, I'll just record it.
Yeah.
Cause like that's like so helpful when like people know what to do, you know? Okay, I'm gonna do that. But yeah. It's a sunny day in Denver.
Sunny but cold.
Sunny but freezing. Okay, it's up to 10 now. I don't think you can see it. But yeah. So that's that.
Probably Thursday when I come. Okay. I can't see because. Okay.
I've been wanting to do kickboxing.
Perfect. My mom just ordered. She said I'll be here tomorrow.
What well?
I showed her. She's like, did you order it? Or I was like, no. Okay, I'm gonna get it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just get like Chinese, but we get it less, I think, than pizza. After much debating,
So hard.
we decided on delicious Chinese food for dinner. Asian. Look at how cute. Kind of like in LA. And like get wine and stuff. I've never had these. You haven't either?
No.
But I'm excited to try it. It's a barbecue. Actually, I might need a fork for this. Barbecue pork bun. Let's see. It's like a little barbecue sandwich. I'm just really wanting barbecue, apparently. Ooh, fluffy. It's interesting. It's very bunny.
very doughy.
Mm-hmm, very doughy. Yeah, look. Look at that rice. Do I just take it? Oh.
No, you don't. You don't.
Sesame chicken?
Yes. There you go.
Yeah, you're good.
Just.
Thank you. Perfect.
My rice tray.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anything else I can grab for you right now?
That's it. Thank you so much.
Enjoy. Sorry
Thank
about the
you.
wait.
No, you're good.
But you got a little back.
Looks good. It's so good. We have been smashing. Yummy. Nom, nom. Alright, it's dark out. It's 8 o'clock. And I'm driving home now. We had dinner at that really cute little spot in that little indoor marketplace, and the food was so good. We got, I showed you, but we got sesame chicken and sweet and sour chicken, and the buns were like okay, like they're not my favorite. But yeah, I'm going home, and then when I get home I need to just unpack and take a shower, get all situated for tomorrow. Now my throat's feeling dry, so I'm glad we got our stuff. And then earlier today, I showed you I was working, and I was also working on editing up some clips for our podcast that we have that we are starting. So we're like posting all the clips on TikTok to kind of like start to get an audience from online in that way. So I was having so much fun editing them. So it's I'm gonna be tired, but I'm gonna try to do a little bit more editing tonight, and then wake up tomorrow at 5 a.m. again. So the 5 a.m. days, you definitely fit a lot into your day when you get up at 5. And the thing is, like, I like it. Well, it's really hard because it's winter here and it's dark and cold. It's up to 9 degrees now, but like I like it, but also I'm not gonna get up at 5 a.m. for the rest of my life necessarily, but I just like to do it kind of in little spurts. And like, it's actually pretty nice to get up early in the winter, because I've like found myself like getting up late in the winter and then going to bed early, and it just, I think it sinks you into like a deeper seasonal depression. Whereas if you try to get up a little bit earlier, sure, you might be tired, but earlier too, but it's like, I don't know, it's just to do something different. And yeah, I definitely like getting up early, but also I know like my body loves sleep, but so it's like we'll get up at 5 this week, but in general, like for these early morning workouts, somewhere between like 5 and 7. So, and then get your workout in for the day, and then you have the rest of the day to take care of yourself, work, and do it like that. So I'll end this talking here. Thanks for watching the vlog. This is my 93rd video, so we're going to be getting to 100 soon, which is going to be really fun. But I'm going to end with a little nighttime montage, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!